Okay, so this is Hang On Sloopy or Louie Louie. It can really be either one. You're going to go to the G chord, third fret on the first string. And then we go to the C chord, first fret on the second string, always having that hook around that first finger. So we're not touching any other strings. Like I said, just check that string first. Check the other strings. Once again, make sure we're just aiming for these strings here, not the lower string. We're just aiming for those three highest strings. So we do the G and then C. 3 G's, 2 C's. So like this. 1, 2, 3, and 2. And you want to do this for a while. Make sure we really got it. Okay, now if you need to, go back and rewind that. And then we add the D7. Now the cool thing is we've got our finger already set in a C. For the D7, we add a finger down here and then a finger up here. Okay, so we got a C, and then we're just adding in the D7. C, and then the D7. Okay, try that a couple times. Keep your fingers real close like this so you can just add them real quick. So the C to the D7, 2 C's, and then 3 D7. Now the cool thing is then we just lift these back up and go back to the C. So we have 2 C's, 3 D7s, then 2 C's. So that C. Do that again. C, D, C, C. And we're going to do that a couple times. Make sure you got that really solid. Rewind it as you need to. Then we put the whole thing together. G, 3 G's, then 2 C's, then 3 D7s, then 2 C's, G, 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 C, C, D7, C, C, G, 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 C, C, D7, C, C. Now, as you're practicing this, you may want to just go through and just play the G's and the C's, wait for the D7, G, C, and then add the D7 as you feel comfortable kind of putting those extra fingers in. So here, I'm going to play the whole thing. I'm going to add the melody on top. 1, 2, 3, 4.